he came out of the wind and rain, wrote many heroic and touching chapters after 65 years of arduous development. He's blooming and starting the dream journey of technological innovation, transformation, and upgrading. It's springtime of revitalization and development. Zhejiang Sound Machinery Manufacture Company Limited is the only provincial state-owned enterprise of plastic machine industry in China. Sound is mainly engaged in the R&D, manufacturing and marketing of high-end injection molding equipment for aerospace, auto parts, packaging, household, and other fields. Sound was established in 1956, one of the earliest manufacturers of plastic injection molding machine in China. After decades of precipitation, Sound was honored as Vice President Unit of China Plastics Machinery Industry Association, the member unit of National Industrial Standards Committee. Sound set up a Provincial Enterprise Research Institute, a national postdoctoral scientific research workstation, gained the second prize of National Science and Technology Progress Award, the first prize of Zhejiang Science and Technology Progress Award, etc. In 2020, Zhejiang RT King Group, Sound's parent company, catched the opportunity of building a global advanced manufacturing base in Zhejiang province, created the major business landscape of high-tech equipment manufacturing, starting with Sound's plant relocation and technical improvement. On May 6, 2020, the key construction project in Zhejiang province, an annual output of 6,020 sets injection molding machine and die casting machine, Deqing Sound manufacturing base was officially completed and put into operation.
2020年5月，盛大公司实现整体的技改搬迁，投资近7个亿的德清盛大基地竣工投产，192亩新产区，按照现代制造业企业进行科学布局，我们的精加工设备、检测设备达到行业一流水平。我们装配实现流水线作业，整个产品实现迭代升级。日常管理由日籍专家团队负责，我们员工公寓、员工健康之家等设施齐全。通过技改搬迁，盛大公司实现脱胎换骨式转变，也得到了我们广大客户的认可。
Sound follows route of first-class benchmarking, advanced and practical, improving quality to open up the industrial innovation chain. Sound hired Japanese technical experts to develop UN series high-end precision injection molding machine, SE large injection molding machine, and others. Sound brought in external technologies, used the manufacturing capability and R&D capability to innovate epitaxy technology, expand new product. Sound establishes a cooperative relationship with domestic famous universities to assist the scientific research. Sound improves manufacturing capabilities by creating high-level innovation platforms, expanding product lines, and optimizing technological progress. Sound transforms from low-price competition to be more active, explores a new path for transformation and development of traditional manufacturing. Progress is promising for revitalization. Its production and management processes have been re-engineered. Sound has entered a new stage in Deqing. In 2020, excluding the delay due to relocation and other factors, with only 8 months of normal production, Sound's revenue increased by 26%, and the per capita annual GDP increased by 74% on the year-over-year basis.
“十四五”期间，盛大公司将聚焦高端装备制造业这种战略性新兴产业，围绕高端化、智能化、绿色化的高质量发展这一条主线，加大我们产品研发力度，加大我们产品研发的投入，加强我们这种创新型、应用型、技能型人才的培养，为我省打造全球先进制造业基地贡献我们盛大的制造力量。
As a provincial enterprise, Sound is always responsible and expected. Sound, we firmly hold technological innovation. Adhere to the concept of quality first. Strive to become a leader of advanced manufacturing in provincial state-owned enterprises. Create a benchmark provincial enterprise of high-end equipment manufacturing.